social media, me say na watch violence ne die aye kiki na me ya mo subscribe to your YouTube channel, mo subscribe, mo share, mo like and mo comment, so mo be notification bell no so say dey be ya ye post bi a won sabe to me aka na obetumi ahwe video no on my Facebook ye ho as Ghana Celebrities TV, Instagram ye ho as Ghana Celebrity, okwa your website so ye ho as Ghana Celebrities .com and www.ghanacelebrities.com over any idea what hope no and kind headings headlines they be disibu ra asem no ne kind tia asie yi ne hu dia ekoso ewo wiase mu Aisha Modi atu nkomotwetwe ya na kyese eye abeku wa woni presenters eya na asem twemu a ya mane nkoda ye twen ya da ye nya one on one no na tese ye de bisaw na wa wo de emunchirichi mu aba yes from the horse's own mouth na tese what in some emunchirichi bi wo ho a se sister ne kra ba bonte ebe ye Instagram live kan o de same way to bonte it will still not be enough. I just say on an interview no presenter no Asia one on one let say still now asem we bisaw amwe yi ano na no na be ku bisa ne say Aisha Modi wo bo Aisha din ye she love Stonebwoy ya dodo na enim no and that just a sister in someone what can they say Aisha enye obi a wo ye na downfall na sabe Aisha ba ye no na woni Tracy Boache na for dada and okakra woni Tracy Boache na for 6 good years 7 years pony because Simon ya brapa our we no essay nyina no 6 years mu that time no that Tracy na downfall or no pe any nipa wo ba na ware na say enti no videos no they don't lie omo share Tracy na downfall to see no 7 years of friendship Tracy enka sentia ne da Tracy didi na temoda Tracy emu nanimu ti won ka asem enche Tracy awakote asem no kra ewo baby da de bia no ne some o ka che no eka omumienu ntem Tracy otumi friend 2 a.m. Echese na o friend 2 a.m. the boyfriend na de no wesu ache na echese eja efutu a wono so wono no de ama no it is such person no owe omumienu a obetumi aka se Tracy mom na danfo enye Aisha Modi na nyinyi na ne sa wo se Aisha eto phone ebe che no na penanso birthday wo brand 2000 Ghana cedis no and it just say Aisha claim so na danfo and it just wo fa phone friend say on share Tracy Boache because they assembly a woni Tracy beka no go piem e wa monten na wo ka asasem of our phone friend Tracy ka chen say Aisha say I was so do the o kan okre onye obi o twa ntro it's of friend Tracy ka say Aisha say assembly a meka che obia no epia bonte enti and also no de won kan hwe on ko ba bia enkodi wo no ofia hwe ho kokosa so ene hwe Aisha yi na blocking and omunyina block Aisha enu nkoda o say 5 months time and it say Aisha Modi esa fa phone every Tracy Catson so on hwe efia hwe yi na onu Aisha ni nim se omumienu ene hwe omu yi ewo no Aisha ho eno na de wentwi ba ya say efiti ho no omunye ku bio onu ohun Aisha as a friend ohun as a fan openasem oye ne fan enye na downfall a otumi kwa ne hoko didi ana one ne eko hia to have fun and to chill and as of phone a friend late night and at dawn say watch ni se watch Aisha enye na downfall na Aisha sisi ade Aisha won't come out to reply Efiaswa because Aisha deleting Instagram account she loves Stonebwoy account amount for prepare account say ya verify na amount for any wom sister ne delete account nyina the last post crowd to me who say ache to say we free Instagram we free social media for now to heal herself from adebia warfare say disappointment say depression say den obia enim the pain she's going through be social media she want to stay offline for some time let's just say or bounce back and know better and stronger it's a say ade if you show some waka say no press say no pray Aisha first no de again say any anka by now no akwa ye life aye post any nsam de akwa ka bi ba sister no de wetu ne fu bia no wetu ne fu pa ye sister no edilete ni Instagram account a say akobo she love stone boy a na nya ade a ubehu omo ubehu nyina ye new account and profile create amano I she love Aisha Modi bash any manema but original account yes she love stone boy ya verified her account in the see ade enye active bi we dissolve account we delete account no kwa na amafo esu se anka deactivating mpoi na anka we ready na wa ba be fa wa ade ba see ade we delete account no to heal herself from every trauma and I say everything pain bi a wo komu bia no that would be very good for her health. It's a say if you are clear no dear Emma wone Aisha beef atwa so up till now still now no omonka wo hunu kra na ne bu afu nyina if you are edegu atu jumedie no so amama for ate aha Ghana Celebrities TV media Abena Pretty show we gossip pass.